Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to Rickroll someone on piano. Let's learn. We'll be doing this in the key of C major, which is the easiest because there are no sharps or flats to worry about. We'll start by playing the following instrumental to attract the crowd first. The instrumental is based on the chord progression of the chorus of Never Gonna Give You Up. Let's break this instrumental down. For F major 7, we have our F octaves on our left and A, C, E, and A. What you want to do is roll your fingers here, which is what we call a rolled chord. It's a really effective technique for adding some extra character and nuance to your playing. Next chord is G over F with G, B, D, and G on the right, and F octaves on the left. For E minor 7, we have E on the left, and G, B, D, and G on the right. Our last chord is A minor 7 with A on the left and G, C, and E on the right. Let's try that slowly. F major 7, G over F, E minor 7, and A minor 7. We can move down one octave to add variation. Adding a bit of rhythm to our chord progression sounds like this. Then we can end with D minor 9 with D octaves on the left and F, A, C, and E on the right. Apply the rolling technique with your fingers as you did before. Then E minor 7 and end with A minor 7. Now that you have attracted a crowd, you can start to play the chorus of the song. We'll go over the right hand first. On the right hand, we'll play A, B, C, A, E, E, and D, G, A, B, G, D, D, C, B, and A. Then we play A, B, C, A, C, D, B, A, G, G, D, C. Then we have A, B, C, A, E, E, D, G, A, B, G, G, B, C, B, and A, G, A, C, A, C, D, B, A, G, G, D, and C. Now on the left hand, we'll play our first chord, which is F major 7 with F, C, and F. Our next chord is G over F with F, D, and F. E minor 7 with E, B, and E. And our last chord is A minor 7 with A and E. Again, that's F major 7, G over F, E minor 7, and A minor 7. Now with hands together, we have this. F major 7, G over F, E minor 7, and A minor 7. F major 7, G over F, E minor 7, and A minor 7. F major 7, G over F, E minor 7, and A minor 7. F major 7, G over F, E minor 7, and A minor 7. Now we'll play it a little faster. F major 7, G over F, E minor 7, and A minor 7, F major 7, G over F, E minor 7, and A minor 7. If you made it this far, consider giving this video a like and subscribe. It's free. See you on my next tutorial.